leave Ogechi. Ona makwa no Ogechi Okeke Njaka connived with some churches. A wage Ijele today. Chukwuka Ofebu, aka Ijele, king of devotion. Ogechi Okeke Njaka connived within the church. A wage Ijele. Owesi na ya make sure na Ijele nwuru. Owesi na ya make sure na Ijele na nne na nna ya afọrọ ya na again na ụmụ ya na nwunye ya. Ugebe n'ikpu. Leloti ya 30,000. Is aware of this thing that I'm talking about. Innocent Iheme, aka Jinjin Venza, a 54 years ago old. A 54 years ago goat. Nondo. Ogechi Okeke Njaka. A wesi wuri Ijele jede wi Ijele na prison today. I am here telling you people. If Ogechi Okeke Njaka we collide with the church, a wage Ijele, wait Ijele nanga. Who is the person that is advocating for Ogechi Okeke Njaka? Set up Ogechi Okeke Njaka. No Ogechi were omazi. No Ogechi na promo ya. Where about Ijele? What about Ijele? Can you na yeji we happy ku Ijele? Have you seen Ogechi Okeke Njaka come out and advocate? Set up Ijele. But Ogechi intimidate Ijele with some contact of the church. A wage Ijele today. And some fools are coming out telling us to free Ogechi Okeke Njaka. If you come out here and say the leave Ogechi, so Ijele aburo mmadụ. So Ijele is a useless human being. Have you seen anybody of them come out and said, allow Ijele to go? Have you seen Ogechi Okeke Njaka? Now one I said, I may intimidate. You never see anything. Listen, Ogechi Okeke Njaka. The same way Ijele kata Ijele afufu, the same way Kaya Ijele taga afufu. If anybody coming out to say that an animal gets intimidated, is that not the same intimidation? Ogechi Okeke Njaka mere Ijele. Ijele abụrụ nwa mmadụ. Nkịta mụrụ ya. Look at the useless fool Jinjin Venza coming out and advocate and Ogechi intimidation. Na do ye mepekwa, da ma mepekwa. It will turn. It will not turn. Ugebe n'ikpu. Hapụ Ogechi maka o nwere nwa. Hapụ Ogechi maka ụmụazị ya. Chineke bụ oge ọnụ. You that is saying to free Ogechi Okeke Njaka, or ya adrezuru no gena mma. Ogechi Okeke Njaka must come out and free Ijele before I woke it to for honorable Ogechi Okeke Njaka matan. If anybody coming out here to tell me that Ogechi Okeke Njaka na may intimidate, Chideka bụ oge ọnụ. What about Chibo? Ogechi Okeke Njaka mere ekpere dana nwa ngwọrọ Chigbo na-ada aga ije no ya nọ na ngwọrọ ahụ till ọnwụọ. And you people forget that at the day ọ na-eme ekpere ahụ Ugebe Naija was among shouting ise. The day Ogechi na-akụwasị akwa na-abụ ndị mmadụ ọnụ ọ na-shout ise. Jinjin Venza nọ today na kwari nnem Ugebe Naija make call we si ya were mma fine nnem n'onu ka ogbuo nnem na nnem is a useless mother. O we si ya megene nya were kwa mma ka o betara ya ka ha we nye ya otokoto. I want you people to pay attention. Oh maka echi njide nne ya mewe you people will come here and be telling me happen no Ugebe Naija. If anybody tell me that nonsense aga m abụ gị ọnụ bụ ezuru unu gị ọnụ. Ugebe n'aja mana nne ya is a blind Bartimaeus, but she was there insulting mother. Si were mma betara nne m, si bepụ nne m onu. Ugebe n'aja si that I'm a murderer, na mụ bụ onye oshi, na mụ scam ya. Emecha na oye wete proof ebe nji wee bụrụ murderer. But ihe na-eme ka ngwa unu today can remind you, go and watch that video to avoid nwete nne ya blind Bartimaeus anwa. When I knew anybody happy come across the video started preaching me. Nana ya na mad drama. Go and watch it in the Venza today. Ugebe n'aja in our phone now went to page WhatsApp group Ogechi and scam them. We were 400,000 naira in area. Yet what police? Ugebe n'aja was the one taking people's address, going to their homes in Imo State. Ugebe n'aja was the one that went to Fiona house. Namu Ifeke. Ugebe Nibu point and kill was the person that went to Sharon house. Ugebe n'aja Gedi Ekwere Ogo Sumenyi Ogechi Okeke Njaka. I want you to pay attention. Ugebe n'aja ebe si jinjin ya weta mma ka ogbuo nne m n'elu ogo m oriri. Ugebe n'aja aya eji mma wee magbuo that your blind Bartimaeus mother. Aya eji mma magbuo n'oye, aya eji mma magbuo ya n'afọ, aya eji mma magbuo ya na nkwọ, aya eji mma magbuo ya n'eke. Anya ya ahụ kpara akpọ. Right now, as I'm telling you now, oya agho ngworo. Omandri nne na mma, omandri nne na mma. Lolo accept. Nobody born on a man that you approach you say no ya no go. Iya abo okokporo dị na nwanyị. As jinjin versa okokporo dị na nwoke. You become okokporo dị na nwanyị n'oye, na afọ, na nkwọ, na eke. You are the one that put Ogechi among. You are among that put Ogechi in this mess on here today. Among telling people to hold Ogechi Okeke Njaka. You are an evil person. Last 2 months, you went to Jinji page last 2 months. Where's the Jinji Venza? Yanyegi number Marian Justice. Kageni atika kono konu jido Ogechi. I want you to pay attention. Today now, if you left one Ugebe n'aja, namoro left and right, yeah? Adie, telling Jinji Venza, ka hapu Ugebe n'aja, ka hapu Ogechi. No Ogechi maka nwa ya, Ogechi maka ụmụ ya. But Ugebe n'aja was here last 2 months. Telling Jinji Venza, yan contact ya, Kanyana Marian Justice, ka atika kono, ka punish Ogechi more and more. Because na jinjin de go anyi, awegwe na omandre ya na mma. Ugebe n'aja now went to Jinjin Venza because Jinjin share otoya for 30,000. Ochora ka Jinjin buy ya saga. That is why she is there talking nonsense. Tomorrow now, Jana Jinjin say, Mobu tomorrow, Jinjin Bako Ogechi saga. If you Bako Ogechi saga, Onya Wamale Bokwaku, a useless Ugebe n'aja. The same Ugebe n'aja that is advocating now, Karapu Ogechi Okeke Njaka, was there when Ogechi and then the church or Ijele. And about it or Obodo. Ono Obodo. That guy not on it. Ugebe n'aja knows all those things. Ugebe n'aja knows that it was Ogechi Okeke Njaka that sold Mirabel Ibu. Ugebe n'aja knows. No Ogechi Okeke Njaka shared Mirabel Ibu ya. Shared Nkechi Benki Ibu. The same Ugebe n'aja for Chariyendi anine we snap Ogechi because the Marian Justice equally near the attention. I want you people to know Whatever that is happening now, because the woman did not give them attention. That is why reason why Jinjinvenza was Ogechi saga, because they wanted information from anywhere. We eventually draw him out of this thing. We push way aside. This guy with 11,000 followers, but only make program 100 and something people now watch. More with 800 and something followers, name a program 800 and something people now watch. Not even 10% in the only now watch here. Obuna Jinjim name yoma 11,000 followers somewhere. At least 10% of young question now watch here. At least 1,000 people question now watch here. But more than half of young the one that can watch him. Envy and the jealousy enter into that guy's eyes. He started envying about the Kinsele. Oh, Kinsele, I be gonna mem top. Oh, Kinsele, I be gonna top him. Oh, Kinsele, I be gonna advocate more than me. Why wouldn't I advocate more than you? Am I a drunkard? I am not a drunkard. You are envy because Kinsele was coordinated through Akaroku, through Oriako. Everything an abani hunde mad ademango kai. But you enwa kai ngocha ebuoncha ebiana Facebook ina ameyeri. Look at him as a useless boy. If you the game na gbagi, mature the game. I am not here to be no. I am dealing with you mercilessly. I am not here to be using your mother. Hey, no. I am giving you my short saga. You see how I'm giving you my short saga? And Adama saga, I am telling you nothing but the truth. A fool like you, mommy California spend less than 6 million naira. You end as no gonna pota. Did it guy women a shower prostitutes? KJ Werebu, like the Kojide Kuomo like Peter. Envy and the jealousy. Nana Kinsele, Gigi Venza, I have something that I'm doing. Facebook are not paying me. I am not earning anything from Facebook. Are you listening to me? I am here for Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Look at you and the queen pin in life. Tomorrow Ogechi will onori. Ijele saga goat. One nature Ogechi will onori. Ijele saga goat. One nature Ogechi will onori. If banana and the madego. On daily basis. So say him and Yabo, RIP. Jinjinvenza. I thank God that RIP are we in a dende mad. This so good day na ebe Fiona day and neg. So ununa beji go RIP go no neighbor. Best of the same feathers. Look at your life. Just look at your life. You came to Nigeria, you could not do program. Ogechi Okeke Njaka na actually bri. Kesele, Ogechi na charim, how police, he may report, he want national diamond. At the end of the day, I am here in Nigeria. Fear could not allow Ogechi people to rant that nonsense on my side. Because if work let them try it on my side now. Opakali susuputa. Then Ogechi, hey, approval Ejimekisi arrest. Did I run away? No. Am I hiding? No. I am showing you people where I am. I am telling people this is where I am. Imalonembo. That is why Ijime. If you know who is canceling Guabo Jinjinvenza, you will bow. No be by ranting. Obody in after Bible my courtis. No. I don't fear no idiot. So far, no man I can do. You see how I am challenging you. Uge Benaja, Ogechi Okeke Njaka, they look for you to arrest you. You run away. But Muabo is an I am arrest. Eba wis na I am arrest. Can jeje. I am the only man that this movie industry that faces Ogechi one-on-one and tell Ogechi are very stupid in front of Ogechi. Ogechi and the followers could not do shame. I am the only person that stand in front of Ogechi. May you record of Ogechi come and make sure no say so. If they give me the opportunity, I suppose say why I can't. I am the only person. You never see Ogechi one-on-one. You never confronted Ogechi one-on-one. The quipping in and Nanteke. You never see Ogechi. I have seen Ogechi Okeke Njaka one-on-one. Say Ogechi, you are a riffraff. I challenge her. Kedonye meha, kedonye megi, Mango ma Fiona ma Sharon. How many of them can stand Ogechi? I stand Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Akaroku stand Ogechi Okeke Njaka. I made them to stand. But Ogechi is a useless woman. How many of you stand it? I still stand. Ogechi and what you hear, but maybe I will come and arrest you. You think I'm stupid? But Ogechi the go believe. You know, Manisi we Curtis. Where is your power? You are a useless human being. And people supposed to, that is, follow Tinsele. And when I'm on Gabas guy, don't be my cho. I confront Ogechi. Now you see the video. Some of the guys, they say, hey, Ogechi, I confront. Ozwa open hotel room, police open hotel. I was the first person entered. See a quimpy come out to see from the toilet to come out. Ogechi, and you now. If you go call the threat in case I will arrest you. Because, listen, if you confront Ogechi, your spirit appear to spirit here. He's a coward. But Jinjin for Ogechi now, then put on a kuku na social media, I never come out and they tell people, do this, do this. No. Life and direct. People kwesi ibo mo akada aseku eme. Where can one man na ma you be? I see challenge. But Abuja here na je police station. Nje mgbalo no video. Enwere onye egwu kwere Ghana police station. Muna karaoku. Anu nwere obi. Oye kwesi na akpo muna karaoku. So mputa here so nu nyeme go manya. I deserve it. I confront Ogechi. I follow people. Enter Abuja. And on the east, here on the 8th. Because of it, I rushed down to Abuja. There's police station where we today on. How many of you can do it? From Woke to why? You're not on a rant. Unkoku na challenging. Who are you? Are you stupid? I am the one with Akaroku confronted. Come and make sure no say so. Nobody till today. Omona Karoku, Anu Robi. And I'm still challenging Ogechi. Tell me where you are. I will. Mbosa, I am with the again. You will see a queme. Follow Wasiano Ogechi cannot do shit. Hey, Medi and I am going on ya. On abro no yeji we pele. The time when I say approval I make it arrest in Abuja Aptago in Lagos Aptago. I fly from Abuja to Lagos. While in video soon on the Lagos. But upon east. Usemuronu na Arigua. Look at the fule from Kalela Amuya. Amuya Juna social media na or Victor. nkoli wosu nyiri obere egwu ti police obalaga nkali nwere lese mo na gi nkali nwere lese mo na gi. These are the fools challenging me. Mbosi me nwete Victor mbosi me nwete Victor agmeju mo aga gi blood n'anya. You know what I can do? Okay, if you die in it, nwete gi again. Obu ni ha imere ihe yi na-ekwu eri na social media di ku gi ka mforo go. You know I to ahụ ya chared. Agma dogo agma dogo ye ma dogo ama kugide gi na main road make sure that na arugo bo obara. A useless boy like you when they get you from Ghana ina arari auto erada na camera erada no ashawo erada na Canada erada na Cambodia erada auto camera bi na tozi Victor to ihe na tozi go to ye ncha on the na bia challenge him a fool like you. Nkoli wosuji police ye gegwe gbafero oga simni ye mem arrest okwide water bata na ka gbegbe say guy come to ShopRite, call me on phone if I did not come mbo na bata osi ya bata na ya kpom say bata Lagos, call me. Did the water call me on phone? The answer is no. Obata nsia ona abanye my address nsia come to ShopRite me be mbi na Abuja, come to ShopRite epia ShopRite call obona my bureau, call me a stupid boy. I know the rant. How many of them try me? Nobody. Njagodugunso, agbejo obia. Kwifreta akam if it agwamdim pa now. Njeji godo obo bi wasta godu go onu ga na agbaso nso obara. Nja nwagide gi isi no onu make sure na ma promise na abu no onu before police abia. Do you think that I'm joking with you? Who are you to talk? Mbosi mwete jinjin venza one on one mfu jinjin venza one on one guy mwete jinjin venza that useless worker mummeri at the age of 54 years otobere no wine mwete jinjin venza one on one. Look at a useless man. All your tara Jen 2 million something. Now he is envy about a gato tara Jen. Or say Jen Diego. Jen you call her. Who are you, Jen? We call you. Jinjin Venza. Forget about your joke. Take one on one. Agma kega go zimi non. Nka kugide gi ozumi ejugimi e mana mana gina ba burof Victor agma nata east very soon nga nata nga eme video ngwa gida na ma abata and nga chogo bia na bedi ina nya na agwa gi so ndi ahụ isi bi n'ime ọhịa na agba egbe na echem ka ha gbuo m gwa I'm coming soon e nwere burial na akwade bata asị na date epụta na ya gwa m. And then ya nata nga agwa gi sege Victor agama bia na beg him boss dey to. So they went there one sit ke ya pese na o mere gi na anya o maka nsege bia wa side dem egwu nwere ike tụwa gi. I will come to your house because I'm not looking. And then ya bia nga akpọ ma bia na live video to a kpọ gi na phone sege Victor where are you mkpọkwa gi sa call go I dey come your house. For police, for area boys, for any na here, I will be there live. And then nga magola, nga magola ma gobu ni suri kenan. I will continue na magola until suri kenan. This one is kenan rapo. Look at the bastard. Then a different room wine about. Na auto na camera. If yanka. Saga is sweet. Now tell your madam. See, can I born or now? Obo na ma bia he ba. Nyama na mbo nyala. Osia no nowhere. Now let's put it another challenge. Abego nyaniru na nnewi. She could not do anything. Tell your madam say on a live video. Yes, a cancel. There ben no. Then mbia there. Nga we na phone. Get the way phone number. Iyota. Because imagine na number wa di the here the way phone number. Nga po. Yes, I'm a noise maker. Tell your madam, I cannot block you. Tell your madam, nya put your number na Facebook. Cancel and number gapo. Or ya my video. See, never ya chat ya. Then I'm there by my for ya. Ya bezlebe koku na social media. And then be kwa neba wa. O me hogene off home make uzuro na social media. Serious too. Ima reason ji hapo gaba. Okay na ya lagi. Because you are a bastard. Onu abonde ndi Ogechi they were as a slave. Onu abonde Ogechi they were as a slave. None of you can talk where she is talking. Okwa Abuja Kemele invite. Ojego. Oy put on social media Galafan. As if they were on Galafan said they were on a metanaro. She must go to police station. Si Ogechi ya challenge yemu. Kesele ano mebe de tua. Obo na ma bia no de. Ya ma na mbo anu man. Azara asege, eno na chi me arrest. Eno na chi me arrest. Ada ma go so na ebe no. Then ke ile message photo na social media. Show where you are now. Ikweta na na eme. Anwudogo nke ikpeazu a. Isi na police lady mu agola. Gwiga aka n'anya no nke ikpeazu a aya apia gị kabako no akpụrụ otele. Came after this lady. Faith Ogochukwu. No na ino na Abuja. Oyeji squad ndị army nya ya apia gị na akpụrụ otele. That is ndị army ado otele gị vam. Maka ya apia gị kabako ike ga afọ ha like this. Look at fools. In Ijele and all now for 62 years. Ofro wunye, ofro nwa. Ofro nne, ofro munne. Ebia ba na asị na Ogechi a na-emegide Ogechi. Chineke kpọchakwa unu nchali n'ọkụ. Look at Chigbo ka nọ na today. Ogechi were ga tụtara Chigbo no. Look at Mr. B family. Were go ndị mmadụ nya Ogechi ju. Da na-egie ka ọ bụ na onye ọchọ ka ọ ya enye ihe dị ya mma ka ọ ya eme. Now what is happening? Na ndị na-advocate for them. Ụmụ nwoke amụ mmeri. Peter Ojiho nwanyị. Jinjim Ojiho nwanyị. Kalisus Ojiho nwanyị. Victor Ojiho nwanyị nwunye ya chụpụrụ ya na Ghana. Look at the 4 idiots na advocate ebe for Ogechi. Okay, no wahala. Look at the 4 idiots. 40-something years. Jinjim Venza, 50-something. Peter, 50-something. Kalisus, 50-something. Kemonye Kiberi Benkoza. Victor, 60-something with the BP. And you guys are here. Ogechi must face Ijele facing. Are you stupid? So Ijele atafu. Hey, Arab Ogechi. How do you book? Ijele onye Hausa. Ogechi si Ijele anwụ nga. No na call for blood. No call for her blood. Then he must die there. Orusia na turn Ogechi. Una na agbazi anyị anyị bụ ndị Igbo anyị bụ Chineke kpọchakwa unu nchani n'ọkụ ndị a na-asị hapụ Ogechi ka ọ nawa. If you call like that mbịa na-akụ m I will insult hell out of you. Oh, onye amara njeme ya all because of Ijele. Let me tell you people now, Ijele is from my own place. Ogechi agwa ndị chọọchị ejiri Ijele eche ha ese m hapụ Ogechi ala na agbag. Ya puta bia to go to rapo Ijele. Careful how wicked Ogechi is. Careful how wicked the followers here is. And will any of them nekutoku Ijele? Nobody. Gingiversa ne kokweba. Okwanya ni Ijele. So where to Ogechi? Now Gingiversa have betrayed Ijele. For going back to Ogechi, now that Ijele need Gingiversa to advocate Nihe Ogechi Maria. Now what did Gigi did? He now went to Ogechi Okeke Njaka. A betrayer is always a betrayer. The same Gingiversa now can betray Ken because of Ijele potakita now. No na Gingiversa na chere to Ogechi. Now send them mad at Ogechi. The Ogechi passport. Yeah. Do you think Ijele will be happy with Gingiversa? The answer is no, because on yana be withdraw. Ogechi come out and advocate. See free Ijele. Moboni wezibo mad. You allow your church to intimidate Ijele. Then we individual, we want the police the queen and when they buy name here, we for some truth. We was they come to police station. The same place I was Ijele bia, bang kase gebia. They put na Kama. Kama doesn't have address. Eba gwa Ijele bia bu ebe na force headquarter. I don't know the same force headquarter ka gwa gebia. So if you are here telling me to stop talking about Ogechi, there was a woman that called me last week. Do you know what the woman told me? Kensele. Na me wulike kusi koku Ogechi. Ogechi with a passport, yeah? That an oil 2 million naira. Na send the account ko 2 million. Na me kuzu no ku Ogechi. Oluchi, I believe you. Ogechi put an atro has no jego Zion. No Ogechi je Zion or buy her video. No Ogechi for the Bukobi or buy her video. No Ogechi je Zion ministry general or buy her video. I believe you Ogechi did not go to any Zion. And she's not a member. We know that one. Only you are right. Let any member of Ogechi Okeke Njaka come out and tell Ogechi, go on air. Bahakara Ijele. Kaifu. Manona Serapia. We can never. After Ijele, after Ogechi. Whether she like it or not, she must answer. Ogechi Okeke Njaka is evil. Ogechi Okeke Njaka is sequence. I want to play some things for you people. I can now boy steady. Are you whining me? He dey whine me. He dey craze. Ona dey craze. There.
John 1 here.
That's small boy Ojedru.
Hello. Hello. No, accept.
One pin at Rabanea.
One pin at Rabanea.
Wola, Siala, Rola. Okay, there. Isiam. Never. Ne. One be. There one be.
John 1 here.
Preach on.
Why won't you all accept? Hello. Hello. No, accept.
You see him?
Get a Chinese gaba wounded. One peel China Bandia.
Wola, Shiala, Rola. One be. There about one beam beside the one beam. There one you get but just small boy Ogechi blue. One beam that I just one there. But this boy you will go one. You must go for now one and go back. On your nguba auto 30,000. Only la lot ya. They go to Ofuaka get benaja, get beni. I curse you. Ofuaka no one take this boy you will bua Ofuaka. You must be free bua Ofuaka. You will suffer like in the book of the Nezer. One B will get benaja and the came out for that boy. There. Nobody wants Ogechi blue one B. There. This boy are 9 months reborn a boo for a cane. One be on a China, they will never get in one your jebru. 28 inches, 88 inches television. How can you carry this one beer? Yake udochuku na akwane nu ugaba nipu. Never okay me. Ne. Ne mbi. Aha, you see how? Preach on. You see how?
John one beer.
Okay.
Why won't you all accept?
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Isiam. Okay, me. Well, we can. I'm one mother was side. Ijaho to the Amwe Hedge. I can't this boy a goodly Amwe. Imokabi feel I will get Benaja. I'm where I hate to am a horse. I'm a horse. Before he penetrate Tibua, I'm going to hand like this. Even in care pecan. Is you money yabani bua? Before we're to Anomanaro, Lola said, there. One baby could get banana. Nay, Jala. Nay, Lola said. Nay, Jala who get banana. Fear. Etwa kosi akwa kawambi. Udochukwu anye mozo. Elekwene am ojala. De yi ejeba. Yi na we na akwa maka. Ona akwa ko okemi. Lord accept. Nezia no one ekwu ko bia be ekwu. Look at this idiot. Very dirty human being. I curse you today. Idiot. Krebo Ogechi Anofia no. Anofia. Na akwaka. Na akwaka. Na. Okay me. Chineke. Deji diveza. There you jangum. Ako for ya. Owo ko di cylinder we jakwe. There. on the napata abia agwamoku. Kerebe akwodo for wanya. Dio sinachi. Ato na yanga. Oyo titere niye. Ana agwa ha da no, etu akwa ya de jinjin. Echi na akwa okwo kambi. Osieni mi bu mba. Ugebe na aja tishu ojiwe ficho osho ahụ ya ka ya adị ya n'otele. Akwode mara na mo se ke bia sa ya efere. Ine geri ikpu ko na esi ka abu mere abu no mmadụ na assist. Iwe de Miguel de Unesi Efumbi odojia Bame tu anyi a haka yokozona. Look at this useless boy. There. Oh, me go to an answer channel. Yeah. There, look at very useless boy. Now, they born as a Caro White. There, Caro White. There, Caro, nah. Makana ma for them like this. Ogechi Jerem ne. Now I phone you no was a go japware. Makana from keke sele. Ne akweto aka phone as body before. Una na fu jinjin call aka vetua. Sharon where they go say aka wa phone get to aka cancel ne. Ne to si ba afọ ne. Ne? Ne call the abakazebrodaya. Ne call the kazebrodaya. Ne koko neku. Look at.
I will get out the payment slip on the meta page.
Jabent.
That page I hear all before Tom Poya. Because page on Sharon Onimia and Onimia.
Ona ni yoku. Ni ya page ya na Sharon. Jiweru ọrụ dump ya. Kedu ọrụ ya na Sharon rụ 419. Ni ya na ihe a page ya na Sharon jiweru ọrụ dump ya. Kedu ya rụrụ 419. Na no no ya kosi.
Now this struggle. Pay attention. Pay attention. Pay attention. Oh, pay attention. Listen to me. On the very good as a single fighter, a justice fighter that can speak English rather than dictionary. What's that? Kakobi. Oh, you're not London. I don't want to London. I will get out the payment slip on the meta page. That page I hear all before Tom Poya. Because page on the Sharon Onimia and Onimia. Page on Onimia.
Ni ya bụ page ya na Sharon ji wee rụọ ọrụ Tom Poya. Page ọwụ na Sharon nọ n'ime ya nọ n'ime. Page ọwụ na ya nọkwa n'ime Sharon nọ n'ime. I want you to hear it again.
We are one on this phone.
Bazeme ọrụ ha jiri ya rụ.
Not even that page. That page I hear all before Tom Poya. Because page on the I will get out the payment slip on the meta page. That page I hear all before Tom Poya. Because page on the Sharon Onimia and Onimia. Page on Onimia. Because we are one on this struggle.
Na page ya bụ page ya na Sharon ji wee rụọ ọrụ dump ya. Page ọwụ na ya nọ Sharon nọ n'ime ya.
I was born 1981. I am 44 years now. Look at me and you, who is older than? I'm on 43 years now. I'm going 44. Now, man, if it's in my passport and I'm on 57 years, you want to use it to scam. Another scam. You can never get my passport. I'm the one that applied for my own visa. I apply my visa by myself. I don't have to do it. I pay my ticket for myself. I have money here and every day. Through my contact, I have a contact. You're the local 419.
Strictly on exposition of NGOs in regards to Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Since 2020, that was when we actually discovered that she's been scamming people online. And until justice is served, we will keep on
Zagazigi. Nazaga kerebi nasi sidiai. Dalo makamele.
Biafra land. Now, we'll keep on exposing Ogechi Okeke Njaka's atrocity on social media until justice is served. Until Biafra people realize that this woman is nothing but
a thief. Okay.
Who has decided to steal from the poorest of the poor in remote villages. And this is why Ogechi is always saying that I'm jealous of her. It's all about envy and jealousy.
Okay.
And I keep wondering to myself, why should I be envious of someone that I've never seen one-on-one? Why should I be envious of someone that has got nothing important to offer to the world or to, let me say, society?
Geraldine say, how can she be envy somebody? How can she be envy somebody? Nana Bona for a one-on-one. But Geraldine and I was now envy and jealousy. Be a man. Now, only for what I can envy and jealousy. Now, Jinjin Veza Hanasi, envy and the jealousy. A man nunca. Have I ever seen any of you? Why must I envy you? Jinjin Veza, Ebunguzo Je Malaysia, Ebunguzo Nata. Jinjin Veza, Ebunguzo. We make it weba moto. Ebunguzo Jobo Ibo, Karagenata, once Kijel, and the control in Eje, once Eje, once Nana, Edano Gresedi in Aqua December morning Easter. Gigi Venza, Ebunguzo, where no Munya. Gigi Venza, Ebukwanguzo, where John another country after leaving Malaysia, I went to Turkey. Iana Bunke Gara Vietnam. So Korean Mezigi envy. And I form a business class. E can aba economy, aba gome economy, aba anam business class. So, can you meji envy now? Aba gome flight, Emirates, where free tickets from Malaysia. FLM Emirates 4 consecutive times, and then free tickets. So, the diverse create envy now. Everyone win your money and I will be now. Bono but I say, mommy, I love you, kiss here. Create the envy now. Why must I envy you? A camera for a camoma. Kerebi camoma meji envy. Or moto camababo. Cobro camajabo. Cobuno camaro tabo. Cobumoto camababo. So, career meji envy now.
Okay, let's say community
One.
at large without stealing from them. Why would I be jealous of someone who comes on social media and body shames all the women and say all sort of things, tag people with several things? Why should I be jealous of someone like that? Why would I want to emulate someone that has got nothing to offer? No basic home training to start with. So why would I want to be jealous of someone that doesn't have charity from home? Why would I want to be jealous or envious of someone that has no regard for her father? Why would I want to be jealous of that person? Why would I want to be jealous of someone who scams and steals from people? Why would I want to be jealous of someone like that? Why would I want to compare myself with someone? Why would I be envious of someone that I have never seen?
Okay.
They are jealous of Ogechi, and I keep wondering, of what value has she got that will make me be jealous of her?
Okay.
Because I've seen nothing good about her.
Okay.
Nothing apart from negative energy.
Philip.
Nothing.
Philip,
nothing good and someone without no value and morals. Someone who comes out to dance naked. Do you know, collectively, we can actually write to Facebook about this Ogechi Okeke Njaka, which proves I have all the evidence.
Okay.
So it's something we need to do collectively.
Evidence ya nwe iji. Ka imechazikwa sị na ndị a na-ekwu okwu evidence ahụ na ha na-eme nkoyeri. The same evidence is in iji. That we have to do it collectively to report Ogechi on Facebook, which you have reported Ogechi. Everything I name Ogechi Okeke Njaka imegi, I never done Ogechi one. You have reported Ogechi to Facebook. You have reported Ogechi to police. You have called the Emeka Nwange Ogechi to police. You have bringing Nwange Emeka to Abuja. You have said in a UK they send Ogechi and then go to arrest. Can you make Ogechi immigration? Can you make Ogechi? Babo from Ogechi. Apart from I wonder how bad and dangerous Ogechi is. We told no man. Babo fi Ogechi in Afwania. But you have done Ogechi everything. Papa Ogechi go away to the picture ya. Go away kwa Ken ya je ko de me Papa Ogechi poster. Mama Ogechi poster. Babo fi Ogechi. Imebo here times 1 million. Bamofu. Onu aka nje se. Okonkuo. Mana nke ngwa ikpogo immigration, ikpogo police, ikpogo lawyer, I report to go in so many places. Ikpogo nwa bia ikpogo ta Abuja na atu ega na eje the case for long.
Tell Facebook about this woman that has been a terror on social media, that has been scamming people on social media, that have been stealing from the poorest of the poor in remote villages in Biafran land. It's something we can do. If you go to Facebook office to make a complaint, which I've done, they will take your URL, they will tell you to bring the person's URL. That was what I did, the period. They were making series of videos, and I called their attention to her URL, which it was.
Ebutechi na asị na o je report kwa Ogechi na kendi Facebook. Ochowo fo no ya tag. Osogo no Nkechi Benko. Osogo no Kensele. Osogo na akara ọkụ. Osogo no Oria. Mana ị na-anya na ọnụ ya na onya je report Ogechi to Facebook. Ọnwa anya me na Ogechi Okeke Njaka enwebo complete good followers.
Monitored, and that's how Facebook decided to, take action. Ogechi hasn't got value. So tell me, what good will come out of something that doesn't have value?
Okay.
What good will come out of the people supporting that atrocity? What good will come out? Just to show you how people can stoop so low to lick someone's dust.
Ogechi assurance na-enye gị na ndị mbụ na ndị egede ezikwa na mozi again. Ogechi, from now to next month, ana agacha ụnụ ya nọ na-ejide gị Ogechi. Ha abịakwa na zie m ya. Ogechi, keep on this video from now to 1 month. Before this month, ana aba now. Ana agacha ụnụ ya nọ na-ejide gị Ogechi. N'oye, n'afọ, na nkwọ, na eke. N'oye, n'afọ, na nkwọ, na eke. Oya simzi ono now. Oya continue.
Insulted them, that called them names. Videos I was playing today where this Ogechi was saying abominable things, horrible things, and then after that, I will still go back to go and live. I wouldn't lose my dignity for any miscrimes. I wouldn't lose my honor, my value, my respect for someone who has no atom of shame. Take for example, look at all the people that once supported Ogechi or that are still supporting them. Look at their lifestyle. One way or the other, they must pick something. Either they pick her character, shouting, telling lies, or they pick her past way of dressing by coming out on air with short bombs that Ogechi used to do then when she used to say she's swimming, bathing in the bath, they're showing her stupidity. Look at all of them. There is no how you will follow Ogechi that your life will ever be the same. You will start shouting, behaving like a mad person, but once you come out from her, You get your sanity back. You get your self-respect back. You get everything about you back. Your value, your respect. In as much as you're still with her, you can't get those things back. Within 24 hours, 1.3 million was raised for Mr. Obi and the family. So imagine.
You don't know an apple. The bike can do the horse on Charianos. Now, here now. Analyze. Amune queer. Or Quajaradi nequeer. Kedi also no Chozema. Kedon Chozema about Ogechi. After listening to this video. Now we're going to target na NGO yebu fake. Is it me? Na ozi aka na abịakwa again. Ogonozi. Ndị ichie. Ogonozi. Ana m anụkwana na ntị m echiro. Eziokwu. Asị ngwakwa unu. N'Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Na Sakusa horiga no ogumagali ya. Na ye ejidekwu ya from now to this month. This month a na-aba. A na-agbakwa dị ama na agbakwa m na ngwa unu. Onkuwe. Ha se mgbakwa ya unu again. Na ye ejide Ogechi Okeke Njaka before the month end, the next month. Before next month agacha, onya anọ icon na ejide go Ogechi. Onye ndị mbụ na ndị egedesi ngwa unu. Eto aka ọ dị n'oye na afọ na nkwọ na eke. Asị m kwuo ya ọzọ. N'Ogechi Okeke Njaka na Sakusa horiga n'ogu magali. Na aka ya kpara Ogechi Okeke Njaka n'oye na afọ na nkwọ na eke. Before next month agacha, onye anọ dị icon. Asị m gbara na ama.
For 3 months, how much was raised? Because we saw Mr. Obi wearing a pink shirt. We also saw another time they went, Mr. Obi wearing a purple shirt, t-shirt. We also saw another occasion where Mr. Obi was wearing a white t-shirt. 3 different times. Now, these are the videos we have in our possession. What about all the videos that we didn't even have? Kama has not started with her yet. Ogechi Okeke Njaka came on air to say that she bought 5 plots of land, and each of those land costed 100 million. What kind of job even as a nurse that you buy 500 million naira worth of land? Don't worry. What's it called? ShopRite. 500 million. Now, let's analyze it this way. You have a land worth 500 million, right? Now, I'm trying to draw your attention to all her lies.
Pay attention.
And a fraudulent way of living.
Okay.
All due. Now you have 500 million.
Can you body here? Oh dear. Pay attention. This is the reason why Geraldine are not giving Ogechi any shishi. That 100,000 over there. Ogawa anu gebe naja hanu gebe naja werega agbafelu. Na one bell. Meje kwana gote kwana mgbere gbanwa. Mbarata isi mbia were ofu nke gị. Oliji mbarata isi chọtara m ofu ndị nnekwu ọbọkwa ndị obere a. Gbaga ka nnidiri. Njụ agba m onye na-ebe na anụ ụdị ya. Ị mara nna like ihe nnekwu adị m like ihe small. Gbem ị na-anụ ụdị ya. Anaconda. Geraldine Anasi na Ogechi bụ audio. That is why Geraldine Amanfuchaka were 500,000 support Ogechi never. Maka ọ mana ihe a wee go na n'ala. 100,000 ahụ wepụta ọ gụrụ ya sị no just 50 pounds. No eje wee ta burger. That is why Uge Benaja ji wee jekwu ya si ya nne Uge Benaja may travel today all this woman. Uge Benaja kwesịrị na kede Geraldine ne that is utaka na abụ na asị thank you for Geraldine inye ya ego o we je me passport we je we America rukwe di same America na akpari Geraldine. I didn't support that one. Without Geraldine in Ugebe Naja go to my passport. Can Ugebe Naja go America? He has a passport to be work visa. Without Geraldine and Ugebe Naja go to with a passport, yeah? How can Ugebe Naja go to America? Now. So Chide can go this Geraldine. Now we're not Nara African come my quo. Ugebe Naja. Somebody they can Geraldine na question na agba saga man ije ebe an kana agba saga somebody na-egi chair time ko na-egi ego with a passport onye rurugu no self onye na-egi je me passport onye egi passport ka mmadụ na onye rurugu because with that passport eru ọrụ 10 years 20 years ya arụta ego but you still neglect this woman na agba na onye ara ka ọ bụ nkwu eziokwu mfu eziokwu mmefu onye chaga ego still yet na akpọ ya onye ala onye chaga ego ime ịmakwa onye a bụ god go second god go bụ nwanyị inye gị ego iji wee mee passport mana inyere ka isi na ego mmanya mmadụ aya ha ọgụ wee nụ ihe na social media ka isi na ezuo ego ohi asị ifụda enwere ahịa ịkpọsara mbịa bịa zuo Ugebe Naja nwanyị a na-ege ego na mkpụrụ o bọtụ nke inyere ka isiri ya were ṅụọ mmanya ọpọ na ememego gị na-ewere gokwa ego ahụ si gị weta akaụntụ esi nne ya ofu onye ayịyọ anybody mgbe erote na Chigbo na ego adị important I send Chigbo to that money to ọsịrị ya send the thoughts ọmabara ihe okotere na wee na-ekwu nke anwa na hapụ ya ọsọrọ ya send the thoughts okay ya send kwa ha ya gbanarịkwana ya ahụ Ugebe Naja 70,000 inye kensili ka mmadụ ahịa họgụ n'ihe sha don't give do you need another one because ịgba na onye ahịa ka ebu nne biko chọtara m ego ka m wee mee na paspọtụ biko no o onyezie ego ego ime paspọtụ ịnazi America bịa na Galavant.
Because I wasn't the only one that saw that.
Now enyechana gị ịnazi America ghọọ kingdom wee matazie da onye nyere mmadụ ego ịma ọnụ scam ka scam Geraldine. You scam Geraldine. If you say that ego money nyere mmadụ na onye scam you scam Geraldine as well. You scam Ogechi Okeke Njaka. You scam ego after that 400,000. Enough mmadụ 400,000. 70,000 naira, $30 or $40. Nya ka isendere kisili total. Bịa ba mmadụ anya anya gị n'ihe. You scammed Ogechi Okeke Njaka. You scam Geraldine. You scam so many people. Because in Nigeria, I need to take a boss. Gawe mekuku, gawa olu, gawa mifege, gawe yoma, gawe bawana, gabe. The same you went to Princess Mother. God say her photo. Because of 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000. And I in with a local. Open also taro. The police balaga. Griki ya medwaya. Iya bon woso. Iya bon woso. Ijele ndị mmadụ na youth still game bunny arrest. Ihe mego na social media adibu enwete ga-eme gị jungle justice. Ngwa bụ Ugebe Naja. Ihe mego na social media. The same you went and connived and they paid their years ka agbagbuo Prince 40,000. You went and they paid the money to the court. Okay, we je eliminate Prince. You the same Ugebe Naja. Ekwensu de kag. Point and buy. Baby hoja na eme many member. Etiege na boss. E na akwari na eme kuku. Na akwari na amu ifeke. Ana etu Ugebe Naja. Ichere imere na agba arugogu. Ebe na ndị mere ihe a ha gba arụba ọgụ ha ya adọgụ Hi. Ye Sharon ye Maggie. Ye Fiona ye Maggie. Ye Bonnie ye Maggie. Bonnie. Ye Bonnie ye Maggie. Be free to Gamma, eh? I hear Jim Mamma Castel Telegram. Utelegan is idiot. Evil woman. Era go from my work in Motaro. Jena US. Debris with a 4 naira. Be a query.
Video. You bought a land. Each of the land, one plot cost you 100 million. Now you say you bought 5 lands.
Look,
five plots, which is 500 million. Now, what stops you from selling one land? 100 million. Now use the money to invest into your hospital project.
This summer to try one now. All be again in this 2025. See no Boruno no with $300,000, 300 plus. Why can't you now allow? You let some. Where will I make it? JJ be there, you send the money 100 million. Why no get Ijele one of investment? Also, when I can go to Abuja, naturally be Abuja, naturally. Okay. Then what's happened that pig? One be. One be na China, one near a hola, shiala, rola. Jedru do chukura, gidem one mother see Vietnam, Casino, Cambodia, Cosuanata. Didn't one mother, Wagide Wocho. One mother, Repo Mamotu, Gebenaja, go that boy. We're querying when one mother with a quarrying. Still yet. Ugebenaja Mandreganama. Ilelu do chuku. About your palaja more than 21 years. Did you not yen? Lala self. Lala self. Odewa kaka singu. Ma kakim beside. Udo chukwasi Lala self. Amod muku kadatu udo chukwawa. Si wene chanya obro bonne. Ugebe na chichide ko mamadu juwena to obro iborie. Dika yele kwa mamotie. What an evil ugebe naja. Lala self. Owetaka. The one ni naga zoom abareng. Asa na me mana mota aya for the good ni ejere kile mota. Udo chukwele moto. Udo chukwele moto ogoru. Ugebe na jari we gari chapu ego that boy. Now that I don't know Okeke the boy now. Somebody show bro ibonata. Bona moto yawa. Onwe goes where the ole marakwi yo jindu yeme. Ugebe na jara for that boy. The boy le motawa. Wele ga halisa. Man ugebe na jana anya korola. Okwe helenki. Jide nwa mmadu. Ugebe na jo mandre gena mma. Ugebe na jo mandre he meru do chukwu mandre gena mma. Lola accept. I'm shy. Nena kadi one need the 78 years in Asania the shy. A 78-year-old idiot. I never get to Angba. I'm shy. They make him beside. Renga baya kozbozo. Ogwama dere moto. The boy elemo to get Benajeria that money. See ya chozu horia. Ogechi Okeke jewembudi jebeni ojeche bama. Yana kurugo hotel 5,000 chicha nata nipu. Tagiri nipu tagia my God. Obanaga. Burufon. Hey, Kisele. Fortunate kurugo hotel. Uriako. Fortunate kurugo hotel. Agarako. Fortunate kurugo hotel. Say mum Nanjaba Kancheria. Ugebenaja was the one. Ono Frioji. Ugebenaja na Oriako na Zona. I'm talking to you since last week. Let me say it. na ayo Oriakụ Ugebe na aja ifuru mana ndị otu ya mara agba ya saga oje kpọ Oriakụ gwa ka esele na ya agbazina m afa na Oriakụ asị ya na you Oriakụ my brother ke Oriakụ your love Ugebe na aja is calling Oriakụ for Oriakụ to forgive ka o wee yọwa kwuo kesele ka nrapịa jụọ ya after the bunk wa ịma na ọ na-atụ kasị etu akachi Victor si wepụ ọkpọkwụ kọlụ nke ya kwa kensịl adịm akpọzini ya afa ka ya na-akpọ m afa mana ha ya ekwekwego ụnụ na ha kpọrọ kọlụ agara ọgụ request ya come my man come Lord accept
Go and fight for me.
NGOs in regards to Ogechi Okeke Njaka since 2020. That was when we actually discovered that she's been scamming people online. And until justice is served, we will keep on exposing this atrocity committed by this lady in Biafra land. And then after that, I will still go back to go and live. I wouldn't lose my dignity for any miscrimes. I wouldn't lose my honor, my value, my respect for someone who has no atom of shame. Take for example, look at all the people that once supported Ogechi or that are still supporting them. Look at their lifestyle. One way or the other, they must pick something. Either they pick her character.
Can I be on my page? Oluchi. Can I be on my page? Ugebe Naja. Oluchi Ugebe Naja be on my page. Can I be on a page, Yama? Oluchi there na kamaro Ugebe Naja. Ugebe Naja be na my page. Maka na yozi na ka agbaghara ya.
Shouting, telling lies, or they pick her past way of dressing by coming out on air with short bombs that Ogechi used to do then when she used to say she's swimming, bathing in the baths, showing her stupidity.
Ama bia na nke Ugebe Naja be na nke ama ona asegno ona yosins. Okay. Ama block ya. Nice one. Ona eje na yo ama na Oriakụ ewe iwe ya nkwuru now. I know. Ona eje na akpọ Oriakụ na azu na yo etu Victor si ayo si gbaaru cancel gba cancel ya gbaaru. Omangwakwa Sharon ha na ona eje ayo. Ugebe Naja. Omangwakwa Jinjinvenza. Ihe ọ na-asọtagharị ọnụ ọsọtọcha Oriakụ inside ori my man ori because ya na gbaarụ m na Oriakụ asị ya mụ na ga enwere ahịa kọbọ m ọnụ ka ọ wee dị ka mụ na ga na-emekwe nke we know the game even Mirabel kedu etu Oriakụ si wee ma na Sharon kpọrọ Mirabel na-asị ya kedu information o ji aga all these people na call Oriakụ mụ abụọ block fancha they are calling akara ọkụ. But they will come and be pretending do. One call happy. Ugebe Naja na Oriakụ every day now here. The same thing with Mirabel. Only kwe panty abawa. Man if ever han ekwe return na ya na ndi ano. So many things. I ain't with the guru in tight. Ugebe Naja from Jinjinvenza. Koji enwete iye Sharon ha na aga. When I leak Ugebe Naja, let me tell you people. Ugebe Naja kuchara wuchi jinjim opo anyị ma ndo otu anyị. si mana na ekwu na nkwuru Ugebe naja Jiveza no one yana anyway all like then na Sharon atros Ugebe naja Fiona atros ihe na akpọ nkuche ya na epụta na oje na ofu page ya kesele segene okpori akosia okwewala kisele jere kuwe ya na okwewala kisele jewe kuwe ya na ori asia don't worry kwa mo na gị na me apụ kesele Ugebe n'Igbo jụọ ebe nwere every day ọ dakpori ya pụta bịa ṅụọ iyi akwa ndị na-asị Sharon akaraku kesi onye ka o ji akwụ hatred kisiri because ha agbago m hapụ Ugebe n'aja njụ ya ka o ji wekpọ na call na nke jinjim today na-asị I hate canceling men nne ya because Ori told me and say I can never leave this idiot any day rotere bụ ya mbụọ ya mana akara wee kwuo okwu ya na okwu ya ka dị na fridge mana ọ ka ngwa ya sị
Never be the same. You will start shouting, behaving like a mad person. But once you come out from her, you get your sanity back. You get your self-respect back. You get everything about you back. Your value, your respect. In as much as you're still with her, you can't get those things back.
Okay.
Within 24 hours, 1.3 million was raised for Mr. Obi and the family. So imagine for 3 months, how much was
1.3 million was raised. I got okay. Well, I that started. No one nigga was started again. Oburu mugo je na Beria Grand. Now, no from Geraldine that na 1.3 million was raised for Umu Story family.
You will start shouting, behaving like a mad person.
But at the same Geraldine, ya bia na nke Ogechi the day na ono na nke jinjim ono na page Ogechi Okeke Njaka. O wesi that na one person bonye wetere go for Mr. Obi. Man, no, 1 million. I want you to hear.
From her, you get your sanity back. You get your self-respect back. You get everything about you back. Your value, your respect. In as much as you're still with her, you can't get those things back. Within 24 hours, 1.3 million was raised for Mr. Obi and the family.
1.3 million was raised for Mr. Obi and the family. Pay attention. 1.3 million. Manchester is not also for the weterego. The same will get you West Road for the weterego ticket. But the guy where Papa now weterego. The same Geraldine said they will get with the Mr. Obi family. Now they both get you. But she said now 1.3 million was raised in one particular video. What about other videos? Somebody listen to her.
So imagine for 3 months how much was raised, because we saw Mr. Obi wearing a pink shirt. We also saw another time.
Let me reverse it a little.
Behaving like a mad person. But once
the total money raised for Mr. Obi in this is 10 million plus. Okay, no, Geraldine 1.3. Now Ogechi could not give them shishi. The man I want to say will go cause of fun in your house. No, Geraldine no 1.3 was raised.
come out from her, you get your sanity back. You get your self-respect back. You get everything about you back. Your value, your respect. In as much as you're still with her, you can't get those things back. Within 24 hours, 1.3 million was raised for Mr. Obi and the family. So imagine for 3 months how much was raised, because we saw Mr. Obi wearing a pink shirt. We also saw another time they went, Mr. Obi wearing a purple shirt, t-shirt. We also saw another occasion when Mr. Obi was wearing a white t-shirt. 3 different times. Now, these are the videos we have in our possession. What about all the videos that we didn't even have? Kama has not started with her yet. Ogechi Okeke Njaka came on air to say that she bought 5 plots of land. Costed 100 million.
Attention na this video. Okwono no your former 1.3 was raised in one particular video. What about other videos? But this Geraldine said one person only paid for Mr. Obi. Ogechi should know for when we go for Mr. Obi. Now, where is the 1.3? Geraldine, where is the one? Akaroko, I want you to call on this program. If you have a chance, call or can you summarize that I this thing? I beg. I tell God beg you. Now, call or can you summarize that I this thing? 1.3 was raised in one particular video. Why she have videos where Mr. Obi wear 3 shirts. First shirt, second shirt, third shirt, which is 3 different videos. And you people are here saying no Ogechi Okeke Njaka senior passport. Where is that money?
You get your self-respect back.
You need to call on this program.
Back your value, your respect. In as much as you're still with her, you can't get those things back. Within 24 hours, 1.3 million was raised for Mr. Obi and the family. So imagine for 3 months how much was raised. Because we saw Mr. Obi wearing a pink shirt. We also saw another time they went, Mr. Obi wearing a purple shirt, t-shirt. We also saw another occasion when
Akaroko said he have the statement of the account. This one here, the one for London, confirmed 1.3 million. And what did you see with what actually Ogechi could not bring it. $1.3 million was raised in 24 hours. And when I check down and what did you what did you see? Whatever they go, can you go to Yogo? Ogechi refuse. What did you say? The man with his Yogo now. See the body ye gun Kiaro, or corner warrior. Ambram Yakoja Batambro. Kwana bafu elutia na moto mo na machine mo na bicycle wele je we boneje we je pata dem bro ko wele keke mo boss je pata dem bro na o mecha yani na you people eat the money body bi ase na ma merozi on ole so na wetere ego now if 1.3 million was raised in 24 hours, what about other videos? Emere with differentiate the money. What is happening? Some fools are not saying, what did Ogechi did? Did you hear it from one of their syndicates? 1.3 million was raised in 24 hours. Just look at if 1.4 million was raised. Can you not get here with a get back? Whenever the behavior, see, I will treat you back. Can you not get you to web gender no way? Or if 1.3 million was raised from your mouth, I cannot wake up. Just look at it. 1.3 million in 24 hours. Where is the money? 1,000 naira on Jennifer. Ogechi way going to transport to J. Ogechi could not give this family. Ogechi way
they're showing her stupidity. Look at all of them. There is no how you will follow Ogechi that your life will ever be the same.
And of course, since you way back Ogechi up with the lies, look at your life. And I go Nigeria Jeff Nigeria. The answer is no. In Okone Niara Ogu, a take shed and Oku, a 2 hours and negative or one to another. Okay, you are right. that is the money the Palace of Justice raised for Mr. Obi. Chichi is trying to explain something to get the message. Okay, what are you saying?
Behaving like a mad person, but once you come out from her, you get your sanity back, you get your self-respect back, you get everything about you back, your value, your respect. In as much as you chill with her, you can't get those things back. Within 24 hours, 1.3 million was raised for Mr. Obi and the family. So imagine for 3 months.
Tajan Kola. Ago. Tajan Koko. Ada di yin ekwu. Tajan Kola.
How much was raised? Because we saw Mr. Obi wearing a pink shirt. We also saw another time they went, Mr. Obi wearing a purple shirt, t-shirt. We also saw another occasion where Mr. Obi was wearing a white t-shirt. 3 different times. Now, these are the videos we have in our position.
Now.
Ekweme on Igbo isi aga.
Asị m na aṅụzi ara ka ọ bụ.
Asị na anwara gbasara m. Ya ka ime.
Udo.
Kiki of the Mosa.
Ezigbo mmadụ.
Ọkwa netwọk ka m na-achọ.
Ya. Na ya ọ na-emezi na nke ikpeazụ adịrọ mma. Ya bụ eze.
Hey, na netwọk na-ama ahụ.
Mana na anyị na-ekwu na.
Okay, na anyị na-ekwu.
Na tọọlụ ka ya bụ igosi okwu. Aya kwuwe na na-ekwu.
Ekweme ndị Igbo.
Egosikwa n'utubu.
Ekweme ndị Igbo.
Ezigbo mmadụ Bristol.
Ekweme ndị Igbo Nigeria Limited. Nasị nka mbido na ebe nwanne anyị nwaanyị a. A na-akpụ ebe.
Nwamkpi.
Maka na ụmụ oge ọ na-agwa agwajuo dọlọ anyị na-esi uge ebe.
Ya ofu akpịrị aka na-adara anyị kwa m kịta. Ọ bụrụ 20,000 naira ka anụ ya
mana ka ọ data na-ewetara onwe ya n'ọnụnụ anyị amajisikwe na akwụkwọ Samuel okwu onye ntị ọ na-ejidezi ya na ọ dịzị ya ka ọ nwezi onye mọọlụ okwu
ebe eme ọgụ ebe a o jikọtara eme ọgụ amakwa ọdụm nke
o jikọtara eme ọgụ ga-emere gị tii
ụlọ ya na ebe akpịrị a na-akpọ ekwu eme ọgụ ụmụ allegedly a na-akpọ ekwu eme nkụ Bristol through your gospel ekwu eme take your account for akpịrị ya dry.
See, ka m gwa gị something ekwu eme. There is one thing nji wee stand afọ ugo ebe na-aja. Ọ bụ na ọ na-apụtakwa na nke Jiji Veza na-akpali m. But what she have done what she have done, what they have done.
Okay.
Abịazie asị na ugo ebe na-aja bụ pointer. Mgbe na-ajụ kedu ife 4 points, kedu ife bụ ife ome. How can a harlot Obande Manga, that is based in Canada, will be masquerading under the name Sharon, holding people in captivity, holding people hostage. All these superwoman who get Benaja, who put that masquerade from that harlot. Go see I know what on your book. All get Benaja went to the man. No time mamia, debe mamia no, because I know mamia no. This Calabar woman over there, man. Okay, man, you want to Calabar woman. Oh, I am wrong.
Hey, preach on.
Mamia Wagulu Papia, Honoriano. From the investigation, investigation,
Okay.
Where from Arumo Mamia de Rimili? Every Mamia de Sydney de Rimili. Ugebenaja was the one that did this marvelous job. We cannot, or somebody like me cannot, at this time, relegate here the handwork Ugebenaja as a simple pointer. And Ugebenaja stood by her word. Confront her in a live video when she wanted to intimidate Ugebenaja. Ugebenaja, we are not a lioness. Now she's just an ordinary harlot. You cannot control Ugebenaja. Hannah Bachepi in a live program. Since that day, I have hold Ugebenaja to the highest team. Although Namunia with so many differences. Oh my God. But I cannot relegate the work she did. Do you know that Sharon and Mana plan to bacanize one day after that? If not, that Ugebenaja was able to honor harlot on time. So I want to give her kudos for that. And also no message back out. She finished it and stand by what she did.
Very loud and clear.
I am not saying that you should not do what you are doing. No, it's not what I'm saying. I want to elevate the work Ugebenaja have done in terms of silencing the harlot, ancient harlot, Sharon. Because all the coordinated and play the work Ugebenaja have done. I am talking about the work of Ugebenaja, not Ugebenaja as a person.
Okay.
I want to know what I'm trying to say.
On.
So I think we do a very marvelous job. Because they could have killed one after that and Bocanizer harvest her organs. Because she told me privately, Sharon, what their plan was to kill that man. Not just to kill the man, but to Bocanize the man. Pass. That is why after that she will be eternally grateful to Ugebenaja. And that is why up to today she have not gone to kill any person because someone am her roots, even up to Calabar, even Niasi. So why Calabar wants a power potassium? And have people anyhow. You know, threatening people anyhow. If you go potassium, you go mad again. I don't get all go Janis. Ejem Ejabode, Ejem Bini, Ejem Egala, Ejem Eda. Putagoz, you recover from Imian. You recover from Imian. I was not recover Imian or Gaputa. Very soon. You people will still talking, talking about that. Because I say I will not go to get a taken for you people. You people are there, the near. Who is Ogechi Okeke Njaka? A common criminal. See, Kingsley, everything needed to prosecute Ogechi Okeke Njaka is already assembled. Is already assembled. We know how much she stole from Mr. Obi. Ha!
Preach on.
Obe, Sharon must obey Nai, Obe, Fioni must obey Nai, Obe, Iponi must obey Nai, Obe. No downtown fire from Nai.
At all.
Any Calabar wizard or witch, or even harlot. From the New Testament I was there yesterday. No, I want Peter Lachak Charon credit in Malaysia. No, what Peter and Kayo. Peter can do what to all Malaysia.
It's a gele.
From the testimony of yesterday, then we one allegedly Peter Jew all over to all Sharon Malaysia. Do you know that somebody donated wrong and forward to another? All of you Sharon want to credit Peter
Hey! I'm from Canada. The harlot herself. The prostitute of our time.
Nah, dear. It has here making them work on. I want to credit him on now. Carry good there. Hey, every nobody. I see I'm ever working. No 40 something years. Then I get out to do them over.
Mama, I don't think I'm going. I can't even know.
I'm with you now.
Mamuichi, Alpha Mama Nena, Mamuichi, the prostitute of Cambodia. Mamuichi have a very useless daughter without no common sense. Agalum Imana Ika do me watch program that idiot because she don't give any reasonable talk there. And I focus afifia. Mana yi amalili onya na ye fopu ka afifia this time. Yes, God bless you.
Total frustration here. Total here.
Total frustration here.
Yes,
yes. Mami,
I forgot Mami. For Mami feel that total frustration here today.
Mami, I see what Kevin and Bethany here. I don't know you, Mugo.
If I want to go side, I can have the another. You get that? Always some things I conduct around that place. I for one, yeah.
Okay, don't worry. Just Udodo. Eventually, we have a lot of Canada today.
Surgery will not be recovered any longer.
I warned her to be careful. They have a lot to feel not so said diabolical. I will not talk India. Man, do ready. Listen, this is not a laughing matter because you cannot commit so many atrocities of prostitution in Canada and in Malaysia. Then you will come online to start gallivanting. No, you Germany, Cheludo, no, get on, no, second, well, Akaroko.
They said there was
Apple made the stupid in Cambodia. Apple made on Agalavan. Say no, you're not a Nigeria. Nothing will happen.
We welcome her.
I don't want to spill out. I don't want to. The prostitute will see bully and run. Not move bully. Any bully you want to bully, start now and start bullying. Because you will see bully and run. Ichoka Ijele n'ụzọ diabolical. Anonya. I go nowhere. Now we get out. Listen, now we get here.
Onwere onye a ga-agbara ọsọ. Is he not ordinary prostitute? Or they claim Karaba winch. Ta! What for so?
When they claim
Karaba winch, they want to Karaba go. Never Karaba.
Akarago, guy with our good that side. Emana, only you know, Toriana, Ezen Cottage, Gusamu, Ogechi Okeke. These two people are too small to tag even more rest in peace. They are too small.
Nah.
But at the end of this marathon, people must receive sense.
Now, wow. Only baby for a reason.
Your mad sister, the London stupid bastard prostitute. Oyalana London.
My sister is not a prostitute. Only a blasphemy. You are insulting the creator of God. This is blasphemous. No, the sticker cannot be stick on her. She is of God.
I will give you some proof, evidence.
Oliako, yesterday night, Peter Wala in all Sharon credits. What a proof for my sister. Even Kafia, Kafia for this guy. Woman leader attempted. Of no go area.
Let me tell you something. Your sister is a harlot. Ask me how.
Sharon Boyabo the harlots with proven record.
We don't have one harlot. We have so many harlots.
My sister can be anything but not harlot. I'm a monka.
Text of the Most High.
Oyala na London, harlot kono harlot.
Naka be go pass the eye when I get a harlot, when I like a man. Okay, where's the good? Eh, what I get why? I come marry off ma. Man, come on, I can't go now.
God bless you because I'm my like it. And me ade kwe no. Ekweme.
Nine.
Okwe mana mark wu di mmadu.
Okay.
Kone. Yamaka kone maro.
I cannot say I walk a mark in Nano.
Okay, Mark Aduboro wine before Oje Koalonya.
Nah, Emma, much along, can't happy who was.
God bless you. Ekweme.
Nine.
In Igbo tradition and no wine in UK.
The bear when the caca is no wine, no good or not.
God bless
you.
Ekweme.
Nine.
In Igbo tradition, after traditional marriage, you may white wedding. God bless you. How many umunna came import from Nigeria to UK to come and represent the mad woman?
Nobody, none.
But none. Ekwemo wakisi no kepu na mark no bulu wine, na mark nwelu wine nwe nwa ka ni no ha.
Yes.
Okwe nwere ya?
Anromia now.
God bless you. Ekweme kele ife nwere ike destroy marriage mmadu. That is kele the kind of category of a woman nwere ike destroy marriage mmadu.
Okay. Nambo. Nwanyi ọbụna tụfuru di ya ya akabakwa alụ tụfu nwanyi ọzọ nọ na di ka ọ kpọrọkwa nwunye ya di ya. And secondly, nwanyi akparamagwa ya na-adịrọ mma nwere ike hide their work ọzọ onye ahụ efile na ezigbo mmadụ ka ọ chụpụ nwanyi ọ na-anụ anụ kpọbatazi onye nke a wee nụọ ya ebe ahụ.
Ekweme Akuma no onye mmiri flow back on here.
Of course.
God bless you.
Because you can't put it on service. So say bad name service. Because you got in one. Okay.
I can talk with you. It was I make this morning and a cook here. What you where?
The only person that can destroy your marriage is harlot.
Why? I join me.
Not one I join me, harlot. And you can't imagine how Munye Mark is crying. Based on Oge, Billy with Onye Kechigola and Waya. Inanya, Onye wuna know that harlot to no London. Put me anywhere. You marry your fellow man, not a woman. Ka hapụgodo onye nke ahụ na time ya na-abịa. Afụrụ m ebe Jinjin Venza na-egosi payment slip. Ekweme Ijele Jinjin Venza si nọ n'aka listus. Nọ na Pepe Ekweme. I look at Jinjin Venza, I laugh. O wee sị na agụụ nwaanyị enwere ike ịkpọ na nne na nna village and take care of them. Nearly 1 million naira. Ekweme na even na-ekwu.
Straight up. Na agụ nwaanyị nyere ya 1 million.
Yes. Pay attention.
West is were mma gbuo nne m.
Shelunu na agụ nwaanyị support ya n'ifo na-eme nne ego na now for you.
Jinjin si na ọnya nwa gbara ya mebe ya. Kube ya na ma na-ekwu.
God bless you. And Ekweme, if you to know yawa because moving industry.
Don't be today. Not today we see. Can you just say that you can do it? You can lose. Can you just say that you can do it with my family now? At the end of that, I have ya. I want to can do it. On my day to.
Ekweme.
Thanks.
Ife kwa wazuni mobi una Jinjin Venza tuli na ego eji we send that 1 million was 700 pounds. I look at the lie and fake lie.
700 pounds and 1 million naira is a lie.
Ekweme, anya no ka na-ekwu nu Ekweme. I look at the useless thing and I laugh. Can I go one give Jinjin Venza 1 million? Mana nne ye kano UK. Nna ye kano UK without taking them back to Imo State. Because nda elugogi na idana another her pension. Nwanyị ahụ sịrị na nọ na UK ka nne ha mụchara ha ncha na ha.
Mana yo enwere iwe na nna na-abụghị okwu. Ọ gị mana Jinjin abụrụ ya ala mmadụ emeke ebe ka ọ ya kasị ọrụ ka ego esi wee si na ejere 1 million esendrọ over 7 kwefu na ọ kasị kwugo na agụ nwaanyị.
Ekweme. Owefa. Yaki nwa go eva pụọ n'ebe a. Ekweme. When you look at all these useless people, when you look at all these useless people, I laugh. Ekweme, ka m gwa ya eziokwu. Agwala the Canadian prostitute. Say nya wopu aka. Maka ya regret here. But the Canadian prostitute ka ji motor rent. If you want to use a rented car. If you don't know legit information. God bless you. If you want to use a rented car, could you are galavant? You see all these useless women, Ijele Benine. All of them must collect one after the other. Okay, for this movie industry, nobody is left out here. Juju go kill everybody for this movie industry. Agwarum Shari say nya pụtawa ebe ahụ o filuru ọ chọrọ ebe a nya pụtawa ebe ahụ na ọ ya atọkịrị unu ya anọkwa unu anụ ife ya eme Sharon na Canada ọnụ mụ kwuru I no dey hide my feeling ma agwa life and direct ọmala ebe oye jenya jewe o jenya jụọ ese akọwala ya ekwu eme ndị Igbo
Most High.
oh somebody can look whatever they are doing it does not matter
And it will never matter.
it does not matter agwana ha si nwe nke onye nwelu nya wopụta because it's gonna be hot ọ ya dụrụ onye ọrụ na hot everybody must collect o wee megide ife wee ji na-play my own voice note because you don't have anything to offer.
Sharon.
Okay. Obane mana Ashawo Western Road. Asrim don't spill out. Okay. Kameshiano. Asrim meku n'okwu. Ekwu eme. Christian. Asị m ekwu n'okwu. O nwere ebe nchọrọ ikwu mana asị m ekwu n'okwu.
Oriako. One thing we know that na these people na barrier sincerely true or false.
You are very correct.
And they have gone wherever esi eje na aga. Anu of ya Vietnam apụta na-eti mkpu today o tigere gị isi awọba gị ya na ya ọ nọ na bed na awọ ọchịkwa ma ọ nọ here. Agụ nwanyị na-enye gị 1 million naira. Ego iji anụ nwanyị ka ego iji na-enye nwanyị nri rada nọ gị were mma ka efio nneke isiri n'onu. Jinjim agụ nwanyị enyere gị ego na Nigeria ka ị na-achọgharị ego iji arụ moto. Agụ nwanyị enyere gị ego na Nigeria ka ị wee nụọ nwanyị. Ị natazie Vietnam were mma tinye mma mmadụ n'onu si na ihe egbu si na agụ nwanyị nyere gị 1 million. But agụ nwanyị have never buy any hair from you.
Okay.
But agụ nwanyị have never buy akpụkụ from you. But agụ nwanyị will give you 1 million and give you $1 Do you think on a I'm not gonna audio because according to Oriako, that's not $700, which everybody knows that $700, 700 pounds is above 1,500,000. Or $1 million.
$700 above 1 million. Not
Yes.
even talk more of euro. Where will pounds?
Now, on your object, you go and buy out. On your object, go patronize your hair. And if Papa man announcement on your go my go with here. Which means you and I go wine, they deceive one. Because I am mad baby. It's if I stop giving me money for drink. Give me money, buy goods from me. Now, where is that going? So this is why we know all on a game. Go where you do your name, Mommy, California. Up time was Mommy, California, and 2 million, only 4 million, only 3 million. Yeni now, go we kill a bullion chin a year ago. Or 50 with one money. Only what I hear when this yaka. Did you remember his game? And you now go where the car on a challenge that they will go when you be na lie. Did you know all your games? And then when I see the Nakawa gas on keep as well. Now, $1 million again now. Gigi Venza. I am not ever tomorrow. I am not another different story from Ago wine. Because I know a different story. Maybe I was up Ogechi Okeke Njaka. We hear what I go on you. We know all your games. So also money I get 20 million. A guy and not one wine. He is a lot. I can win answer. You are no fun. 1 year when I want now. You are an orphan. So definitely I shall wait and not get the money. If you Peters where I get out on Malaysia, I will call my credit.
Hey! Peter,
Peter. Fortunately, Peter from FMMR. Nana that you go name Peter Malaysia. All right, draw to my credit is them over.
hey!
I shall wait Peter, they were no. Boyfriend the apple, Peter Bawayasa. But the guy chopped at the boy chop upon no anacone. Yeni Nas non yapota. Victor Potra today now ranting and care Jim. Then the Apple Kuga, see us sorry. That's all the better and give bar. Akugo, where was here? Contrast, where contrast. Now, you there is a mother sorry. Oh, now, what was the contrast by contrast? Victor, why do you lie? Akugo, what a video record going to play as Akugo the record one. Take it, you some mother sorry. Oh, now I believe what was here? That contrary, we chat you and go out by ya. Anything contrary with it, travel or anything. Yesterday, sorry. Akugo, I'm sure that they record there. So if you record it, give it to ya or give it to me. I play where can't say now, but no. No side.
Alhaji Onyeze is awaiting deportee. Ekweme, PP1 of Canada can never stoop too low to go down to Alhaji Onyeze. Ekweme, you go to Alhaji Onyeze alone na Canada, na America, nowhere. If any Oji alụ ọrụ, e withdraw go on. Alaji Onyeze is facing deportation. Ogechi Okeke Njaka. For shape. Nkechi Benko. Alaji Onyeze is nobody. Dissenting go to Mpi. Mpi. Ugebe n'ikpu. Ewu gbara ji afụ ọnụ. Onye ọya wine n'anya kama nwoke na-ene nwaanyị anya amụ ekwesịrị ịkwụ ọtọ amụ a na-ada ada. Ekwueme, one thing I assure nwaanyị for sure. The prostitute of Canada must bow. Ekwueme akwetu akọdụ. Ekwueme ndị Igbo. Ekwueme ọnụ square.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe on this channel, share this video, like and comment. Drop your thoughts on the comment section. Thank you and God bless you for watching.